Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Chatgpt in WhatsApp for free. So if you guys want to go ahead and use Chatgpt for the WhatsApp application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to basically do first is, of course, if you do have an instance with WhatsApp that, of course, you're having some issues with a specific client, or you don't really know what to specifically say to your client, and you need some basic help in order for, well, you to give the best possible answer. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step how to use ChatGPT with WhatsApp, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to basically do and utilize as well is the application called Genie.ai. So we're going to go ahead and see if that is going to be available on the mobile devices. I'm going to search for Genie.ai and see if this website is available. So as you see, we're going to use this website called askgenie.ai. So access this website, so tap on it, and let's see what specific features this AI software has to offer for us. So let's tap on launch WhatsApp, and it's going to take us to the option to message the Genie application. So as you see, you could now go ahead and type in your specific prompts on here and talk to this person as you would a normal person. So you can actually ask it depending on your specific problems that you have on the WhatsApp application. So if you are using WhatsApp for business topics or business ideas, well, business ventures, you can actually go ahead and ask this specific AI software to basically give you the best possible answer. So if you want to go ahead and improve one of your communication skills, maybe your time management skills, you could actually go ahead and ask this AI software to help you with that. So as you see, let's try to go ahead and ask this software to give me some tips on how to get more clients for my marketing business. And let's see what specific answer is Genie gonna give us. And as you see, it actually gives us, of course, a prompt first to accept their terms of services. So let's go ahead and accept all of their terms and services first so that we can proceed to chat. So let's go ahead and copy the first chat that we just did and try again. And let's see what specific answer does Genie has to offer for us. And as you see, it generated a quick and readable answer for us to copy and also learn, apply, and study for our own use. So as you see, it actually gives us some tips right here, step by step, and also under a numbered list for us to identify what are those specific tips that we could actually apply to get more clients for our marketing business. So you could go ahead and do the same with any other question that you have on this specific AI application and gain more clients, or use this to your advantage to what specific problem that you have and seek the answer on Genie.ai. And that's all for this video, guys. That's how you guys could use ChatGPT in WhatsApp for free. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.